Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, authentic, official, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. And the active shooter event in Wilmington, North Carolina at Topsail High School has proven to be false. It's the fault of an evil criminal water heater. Now, the head of the board of supervisors there said, yeah, it's a water heater. It's malfunctioning, and when it runs, it sounds like gunfire. And we've known about it for several days. Well, my question is, why didn't you either get it fixed or turn it off until the weekend, until you get the crew in there to replace it or repair it? But instead, you stopped the whole school district, bring in first responders, costing thousands of dollars, endangering them. One of them could be, in an auto accident. Shut down the school bus system, shut down the school, panic the city and the county and possibly the whole country because you're too dumb to fix a malfunctioning water heater that sounds like it's shooting somebody. Common sense in Wilmington, North Carolina, at least with the county board of supervisors, is out the window. I would have had the damn thing fixed. I don't know about anybody else out there. My voice is going again. Excuse me. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is a happy ending that could have been a tragic story, but it's one of the dumbest endings I've ever heard. Excuse me. Have a great day and stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, and I hope your water heater works fine. And stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.